What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you some press on nails. This is my first time putting press on nails on my channel, so I really hope you guys enjoy this. Now, this is everything I purchased from Dollar General under $10. So guys, get your hands on this. Okay, I purchased, as you've seen, those nail polishes. I did get some acetone. I purchased 2 packs of Kiss nails. I even purchased those emery boards and that buffing block. The emery boards do come two in a pack, and those nails, guys, the color is immaculate. I love the color on those nails. Now, those polishes are gel polishes and that top coat. So if you're into gel polishes, very cheap, very inexpensive. That NYX Cosmetics, that's something I had a long time ago, but I just wanted to put that in the video so you guys can see some summer colors. And this buffing block I also purchased from Dollar General for very, very inexpensive. So I am going to go ahead and wash my hands, okay? It's the very first thing you do. Wash your hands, clean under your nails, clean on top of your nails, make sure there's no dirt around it. Because once you start filing the nail, you don't want anything to scratch your nail up to where it's going to be hard to buff or file. This is a 91% alcohol. I am going to be using this temporarily because I just want the nails to stay for a couple of days. I'm not using dehydrator. Dehydrator is very expensive. Alcohol isn't. So I'm just going to take a cotton ball and just rub that against my nails, taking away any excess oils, getting any dirt that I have missed through washing them. I'm just prepping my nails for the actual nail glue and the preparation for the actual nails. Filing my nails down. I will advise you to file your nails completely to get away any of the meat cuticles that may be on the bed of your nails, or even just because you want your press on nails to go flat on your nail bed regardless. You don't want any bulging or lifting or anything like that. It is going to cause your press on nails to not give it the longevity, even if it's for a couple of days. So now what I'm doing is taking a clean cotton ball. I am going to be using some more of that alcohol and clean the fouling of my nail beds off once again. What I'm doing is placing what nail I think may fit my nail bed. So I'm taking those out one by one and just placing them on top of my real nail, seeing if they need to be shaped. Then I'm going to take the glue and place it on my nail bed first, and then I'll place some on the lower part of the press on nail. Just taking the same shape of the press on nail, going back and forth a little bit at a time. I don't want too much glue on that press on because too much glue would not adhere to your nail bed. Pressing it gently onto my nail bed, giving it about 5 seconds, molding it to the shape of my nail bed, because depending on the shape of your nail bed, you may have a curvy nail or you may have a straight nail. So if you do have a curvy nail like me, just make sure that you do exactly what I'm doing now, which is filing the outer part of your nail so it won't look like it's bending or maybe too big for your nail. I like to do this before, but just to show you on demo purposes that you can do it while it's adhering to your nail bed. You can actually file it on your nail bed. Just be very careful and very gentle because the meat on your fingers are most sensitive and they will break and tear with that filer. That index finger that I'm doing there is the other pack of the nail press-ons, but I actually thought it looked cute with the nude that I have on my thumb. Yeah, that's very cute. So what I'm doing is showing you guys the other pack of nails that I just used. It came with a little fouler, a little pixie stick to push back your cuticles, and some stickers to press the nails on onto your nail bed. Pretty cool, but I didn't use any of those. I just used the nail glue that actually came inside of that pack of nails. And I will put everything in the description box that I'm actually using. The nails, the glue, and I will actually put the nail shades down below as well. So guys, here we go. One hand done. I am about to work on the second hand. Put some top coat on. Make sure they dry, and that will be it. Even though I didn't use those nail polishes, but they are very, very inexpensive. You can pick them up at Dollar General. You can get some from Dollar Tree. You don't have to go to the nail shop and spend bukus of money on nail polish. I advise you to use press-on nails if you're only going to use them for a couple of days just to look cute, girl, because it is possible where there's money, inexpensive items, you can make it work. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate if you comment, like, and subscribe. Share to your friends because we are slaying for 2020 on a budget, okay? I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next one. Mwah.